Good morning. Welcome to Nifty prediction. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 350 rupees per month. You will get well in advance those prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you like my video and if you want to support me, you can donate me through this bank details and the GPay and Paytm and PhonePe. Let's go to the market. Nifty ended up in the positive 11,571.20, 131 points in the positive, 1.15% in the positive, opened around 11,469.85, low went around 11,466.35, high went around 11,610.85. Let's go to my prediction review. In my prediction, the data indicated bullish ratio around 9 is to 5, average indicating negative 1 is to 2, and weightage indicating 3.75 versus 2.47, but absolute frequency indicated negative 0.73, which means it is kind of a volatile market. But I have indicated that the difference of 1 point comes means it will indirectly indicate the positive, so which means 75% chances to end up in the positive instead of the volatile market. But it is kind of a volatile market, but somehow 75% chances, but as per the normal data it shows 60. But this difference of 1 point comes means normally if it shows in the negative side, we also so many times it will indirectly indicating the positive uptrend as well, and the ratio is clearly indicated positive and weightage is clearly indicated positive. So that is the reason, and the basic principles we need to watch out, which is that anything opens in the flat positive, we need to go for a stop loss of support level 1 and go for a buy for the bullish trend. So that is what happened on Thursday. And one more key point is that as we saw on Wednesday, the market has opened in the negative with the gap down less than support level 1. Likewise, the same thing happened today here in the positive direction, which is well above the resistance level 1, which is the stop loss for the selling 11,449, but the market has opened well above that level 11,460 range. That is the one key point which it has opened in the above level of stop loss of for the selling 11,469, and the low is also not broken that support level 11,466. So there is the one more key indication. It's shown that the market may go towards the bullish, because as per the common rule, if the market is opens in the flat negative, we need to go for the short with the keeping stop loss resistance level 1, which is 11,447. So market has opened well above that level, so which is a clear indication that the negative selling is not going to happen. But after breaking the pivot level, it is going to be a bullish. But one more key indication is, what we need to watch out is that 11,621, which is the bullish trend open target level, so which was not broken. So that is the reason it has fallen after gone towards to some high around 11,607 range. The market has went high around 11,610. After that it has fallen down a bit 11,610. After that it has fallen down from that high towards to the some low somewhere around 11,490 range, something like that. It has fallen down from that level. It has started to move towards to the positive direction, closed in the range of 11,571. So these are all the key basic principles we need to repeatedly watch out, because if for example the same kind of situation may end up in the big negative if the market opens in the negative direction, and if it is not breaking this resistance level 1, but somehow the market has opened in the positive and it has well above the resistance level 1, and as per the common rule we need to go with the previous closing stop loss and support level 1 stop loss for the bullish buy. Once again it has exactly happened on Thursday. Let's go to the prediction for Friday. On Friday, once again the ratio indicating positive 5 is to 7, very strong indication, and average indicating positive 3 is to 0, and absolute frequency indicating positive 4 is to 0. But the weightage is almost kind of evenly poised. So evenly poised, because the difference between the weightage is very less, 1.32 versus 1.26, which means all three results are possible, but still it is showing bullish, because the point is indicating upward side, so which means four indications are on the positive. If the market is opens in the positive direction, it may become once again a stronger bullish, but still it is kind of a evenly poised, so all three results are possible. It may become bullish, it may become bearish, it may end up in the flat positive or flat negative. So all three results are possible, but as per the data it shows that 84% chances to end up in the negative, I mean positive, and 15% chances to end up in the negative. But once again I'm repeating, this is not it shows like 85% chances to end up in the positive, but still the market may end up in the big negative as well, because due to this difference of weightage is very less, it is kind of a evenly poised. Normally what we see that the market is the data is showing evenly poised, means all three results are possible. So we need to keep those things in mind and play accordingly with the safest way. So as per the data, the pivot level is there and around 0.31%, which is around 35 to 36 points. So 11,607 is the pivot level. Anything less than that, market will try to come down. Anything above that level, market will try to move towards to the positive, which I would like to highlight that 11,607 is the positive average for Thursday yesterday. So there it has aligned pivot level, and the bearish open target level starts somewhere around 11,498. So 11,488.5 is breaking, then the market may become open target for the bearish. If this level is not breaking, market will try to move again towards the positive. So anyone go for a buy, they must have to keep this level as a stop loss, 11,488.5. If it is breaking, then the market may become extremely bearish. On the other hand, the basic principle what we need to watch out is that we have only one support level, one. So anything opens in the flat positive, we need to keep stop loss in the previous and the support level one. But here what the highlight point is, the support level one itself having 1.26%, which means huge. So we can't keep this level as a stop loss. So anything less than 10 points from the previous closing, it is indicating that it may fall some 70 to 80 points. After that, it may have a chance to go support level 1. So 145 points, it has a good chance to reach around 11,425. So and this is the very complicated situation. That is what on this highlighted is indicated. So this evenly poised kind of situation, it shows that that negative trend may happen on Friday, and we have only one support level, so which means that it may have a chance to break, and if it is breaking it 11,425 with a stop loss of 10 points, 11,415.40, then it may go to multiples of support level 1. So which means it may go to 2.52% in the negative as well, like multiples of support level 1. It may go to next level of 3.78%. Likewise, it will fall if this particular level is breaking, then it may go to 2.52%, then 3.78%. Likewise, multiples of support level 1 it will go. So we need to play very cautiously on this particular Friday. We may get any negative news, bizarre news, so it may go like that. And on the other hand, if the market is still opens in the positive, but we have resistance level 3, which means if it is breaking and going towards to the positive side, then it may become stronger bullish, because if this particular level the market is opens, means these resistance level become support level. So breaking may not be easy. So all we need to watch out is the pre-opening is in the negative or positive, we need to watch out. But still, even the pre-opening is in the positive, it is not that much easy to go, because the support level is very huge. So keeping stop loss in the previous close itself for the buy, and if the stop loss is hitting around 11,561, then it is an indication that the market may reach 11,498, around 60 to 70 points it will fall from that level to the average of support level 1 and the previous closure. So after that it may go to 11,425 as well. So playing cautiously on that particular day is advisable, and the bullish trend which starts around 11,645, 11,655.89 is the bullish trend open target level. If this particular level is breaking, then the market may become open target for the bullish. Otherwise, if this particular level is not breaking, the market will fall once again. So this is the key level, which is around 1.12%. Anything opens above in the pre-opening, then it may become extremely bullish. But as per the negative side, which is very lesser point, so anything opens 22 less than that, then it may become extremely bearish as well. So these are the kind of indication for the pre-opening. So let's see how the market is going to give us on Friday. Thank you.